Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marco and for today's tripping, nata karon sa Badjan Island Wellness Resort and Spa in Badjan, Cebu. So this is your ultimate guide how to get there, roaming around and expenses. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to support, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're updated on my latest videos. Without further delay, let's get started! Okay mga katripping, mauna mo breakfast diri sa Badjan Island. Tosino,
Beef tapa
beef tapa,
and corned beef.
and corned beef. Okay, good morning everyone.
Oh yes.
We're back. So karon laag ta dito sa Badjan, Malbual. So balik ta sa kay ani nga boat. So ang rent na mo ani ang boat is 600. Pabalik na diri sa Badjan Island round trip. Okay mga ka-tripping. Let's go. Sakay na ta ning speedboat ni Manong. Hi Manong.
Hello.
Hi boss. Amo manager. Hi.
Hi.
So muna nga Badjan Island. Sa padong misa Badjan. Let's go.
Looking for seafood. Ocean is very calm.
No. Kuhunas ba? Malakaw rin ni dire?
Subay ka rito sa sir.
Ah, kana puste.
Paingon din.
Paingon dito so na babawra na diha. So dili dire no.
Dili.
Kaka-tripping kung hunas kuno pwede ra na malakaw diha kanang naay poste. Kita mo na. So maglakaw rin sila basta hunas.
Has three attractions. That's Pescador Island, Panagsama Beach, and Congo Point. In Pescador Island, you'll see an underwater garden of flora and fauna or corals. The next attraction is Panagsama Beach, where you can see and swim with millions of sardines or sardine run at the house shore. Finally, at Congo Point, where you can enjoy swimming and watching sea turtles. Please do not touch the turtles, but sometimes turtles can also be seen around the sardines area. For each attraction, you'll be staying 30 minutes, and the entire tour will last a total of 3 hours. For our marine protection rules, we are with the dolphins. You can take pictures, but please avoid touching and harming the sardines, turtles, corals, and any marine life. There is a municipal ordinance fine of 2,500 peso per person per violation if any rule is violated. And after here, you may now proceed directly to the wharf area to begin your adventures. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay mga ka-tripping. Nakatagkaroon sa Malbual. Padung ta sakay og pampot. Nag-island hopping me. Doon tama mo mga ka-tripping.
Going to Pescador Island.
Pescador Island.
Tara, naligo na ta.
Mego na ta, nag-ubo na sa among manager.
Ano guys, no? Picture lang.
So layan na to kung di ba na balik ta.
Pwede na padong na to.
Oo.
Huwag ka ta uksa.
diha, mga turtle.
Ay mga tao. Hey!
Yan, sardines, sardine.
Yan na rin kasi magawa sa Neptune doy.
Turtle kami guys!
Kinalang yung sound mo?
guys. Sa pangalan ni Day? Aurora?
Wala man dyan. Asa ka sa Cebu? Manilad. Manilad? Asa ka sa Manilad? Maria Luisa. Ah, Maria Luisa mo. We
Ano
used to
yung
live
father?
sa Manila Street.
Ano?
Ay, sabi, dahil matanawang kayo okay.
Ah, sa Aurora Restaurant and Mualboal. Yan siya. Okay. Thank you. So, nag-try pa sila aning pizza rin.
Taga-mall po lang, sir.
Dapat nag-try.
And they retired na, so we came home. Yeah, wow, that's not Italy because I studied for culinary school. And then,
So, saan mag-specialize mo?
Italian food. Really?
The one
And you live near,
tasted
you live in Maria Luisa, so you live
burger?
Huh? May order niyo o muna ang buns para sa burger.
Pero dili ka ng branches. Ang kada pa may
Complimentary.
Maria Luisa, pag nga branch siya.
Kuman dati.
Yeah, sa una, tikpan niya sa... Ano ba na, mga 100 years old, hindi nga
Wow.
ng bricks. Nag-make of pan din sila before.
Wow, hindi
Para
pa.
na mo bituan.
Tomorrow, i-check out na mo. Stay in sa Badyanan.
Okay.
Check
Sa
out na
Island.
mo. Huwag ito dali. Mag-check out niya. Ano?
Wala na ako sa menu pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ni sa menu.
Listing pa ni?
Listing pa ni namo.
Lami na. Kumanak ninyo. Hawaiian.
We don't have pizza in the menu yet. It's
Ah.
pastas, burgers,
Kita na ikaw niya.
Oh, kaya na tasting
Gamis.
pa. Tasting na mo.
Kami siya.
Kaya tingnan ko mo, give mo ba menu na ka ng kuhan without out lang.
Okay, ano na ilahang house
Kasi
burger
nga,
guys.
kuhan mo, kanuun na lang ninyo. Amo na
Ito
i-take
na,
out.
no?
If kuhan mo. Ano siya? Hindi siya init, ma'am, sir. Here, you can put your right here.
So guys, good afternoon. We're right here in Mualboal. You know what? We've been looking for a great restaurant because unlike in Hawaii when you're in the beach, all the restaurants are around the area. But here you cannot find one. So we drove all the way back and forth since this morning. And then our eyes got caught with this Alora Cafe
And
and
restaurant.
restaurant. And so we got in and look what we got. This
There.
is their bestseller house burger.
House burger.
Yeah, so we ordered 3, but before we got our order, we were given what do you call this?
Pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Margarita.
Pizza
Margarita.
margarita. And the chef here graduated from Italy. So you
Yeah.
get the taste of little Italy when you come to their restaurant. So
Ah.
please come by because I don't think you can find another restaurant in Monbuan. Because
Yeah.
take it from us, we've been looking for a restaurant where we can trust the, you know, the safety and the taste of the food, cleanliness and all that. You know, it's so hard when you get sick from food. So take a look at this restaurant. It's very close to the dining area. And check out Marco Genetti's blog because the details will be posted there. Thank you.
Okay.
Open your mouth as big as you can. Okay, let's like
Di madada.
Hey, Marco's trip, ka-tripping. How are you there? Mga ka-tripping ni Marco. He's busy driving, so I'm taking over. See? Look at him. Hey! Okay, we were looking for Lola. What was that? What was that name?
Tansyang.
Lola Tansyang
Seafoods Restaurant.
And this is where it took us. This other side of Mualboal Road, it's not the main road, it's the other side. You won't believe it. It's like Boracay. So many foreigners walking around in their bikinis.
Yeah.
And so many small restaurants. Then finally we found the Lula Tansyang Seafoods. I don't like it at all because it's so crowded. So we're just gonna drive back to our hotel in Badian Island Resort, Wellness Resort. But we would like to take some of the shots here because I think not most people know this place because it's not in the main road. It's really at the back, but then it's like the main road. All the people are here. It's amazing. Look at that. It's a very busy street. So when you guys come to Badian or Mualboal, come to this side because we ended up here looking for a seafood restaurant. There's nothing you can find in the main road. They're all in here. From spa to restaurants to diving shops. Everything is in here. So if you're looking for action, this is actually the Lola's Tanshang's seafood supposedly, but it's quiet. So we don't want to go there. We don't like to go in a restaurant when nobody's eating. Where nobody's eating because that's a bad sign. We want to eat in a restaurant where we can see people enjoying and having fun eating their food. So we found what was the name of that place?
Allura Coffee and Restaurant.
Allura Coffee and Restaurant that was owned by a lady who studied culinary in Italy. That was really good. The restaurant was, it's actually new and they just opened last December. Then the food is like a little taste of Italy. So that one we can recommend. You can go there and it's not crowded because they just opened. The restaurant is brand new, clean, tasty, and the pizza was baked out of real fire, not an oven. So try it out. So we're continuing to drive into this area here, part of Mualboal, on the other side of the road, the main road. And so many people still here. Another Mualboal. The Mualboal, what is that? A lot of people.
Mercado.
Mercado, meaning market. Those of you who do not understand Cebuano, that means a market.
Okay na.
It's a little bit quieter place. So we'll stop here. And Marco will continue in the next part of this vlog. Bye-bye!
Aloha. Guys,
Aloha.
mo ni ang Bas Dako and Mualboal. Nagkakamay na, no? Okay mga ka-tripping. Nagabian kami pauli diya sa Bajan Island. So gikan mi og Mualboal. Daghan. Nag turtle watching, sardines watching. And abot kami Bas Dako. So nagabian, so pauli na mi diya sa Bajan Island. Ni Port.
Sa'yo lang, Miguel. Sa'yo lang, Miguel. Kaya wala maklaro. 8:30 na.
Okay na, abot na yun ang speedboat.
Gabihan.
Gisundo nami, nasundo na mga lagan. Ay, nagabihan. Punta yung mga ka-tripping.
Hello mga ka-tripping.
Mga laagan, mga
Laagan.
laagan. For another adventure tomorrow.
Yeah. Mga ka-tripping, naanami sa Bajan Island. So padong nami sa among room mga ka-tripping. Kamingaw sa isla.
Bigger than most hotels. But their beds are the foam. I'm talking about the foam. See, it's not thick, it's thin. And you have 2 extra.
And this area is a toilet, shower, and bathtubs. Morning mga ka-tripping. This is our last day in Bajan Island. So, padong mi mag-breakfast sa ilahang Panorama Restaurant. Ilahang restaurant mga ka-tripping. Morning. Kimo nila view diri sa Panorama Restaurant mga ka-tripping. So, unsa inyong ikasulti about sa inyong adventure in Bajan Island mga ka-tripping? Awesome. How about you, sir?
Awesome mga ka-tripping.
Sa mga
Ka-tripping.
Oh, ha?
Trip mo dire.
Trip mo diri. Tripping. Kato hilig tong tripping sa mga ka-tripping. Anong kinakain nyo?
Strength. Food that gives strength for tripping.
Okay.
Tripping ni Marco. Welcome to my little house of Bajan. This is it. At night we become small and we can fit in. So today, since it's daytime, the house is small and the people are big. Tonight we will get smaller so we can fit in here. So, see you in the other video of Marco's tripping. Hello mga ka-tripping! What happened?
Kumusta kayo dyan?
This is what you get in Island in Bajan Resort. Fire na kana. Ay, kaligre. Ang kahoy ron. Oy, this is what happened when you don't pay your rooms.
Okay, mahal na kayo mga tripping. Mahal na kayong gasol, kayong ano, mahal na kayong tanan pamaliton. So, niabot ta diri Bajan Island nangahoy.
Iyo, ang kahoyanan, oy. Tugan, tell the truth. Nanghilabot mo, nayabo.
Ayan po.
Da, ilabtanon man. Okay na na. Okay, back to work.
Okay mga ka-tripping. So, pauli nami.
We're done with our vacation from Banyan Resort. Now your completing Marco, the vlogger, is ready to go home and doing other things. But after
Yeah.
here, we're going to Labuan Beach.
Okay.
Because it's white sand. We'll see.
Tripping na nasad mi diri sa Lambog Beach. Gikan mi og Bajan Island. Oh, mga ka-tripping. Kining among mga ka-tripping, mga laaga ni. Asa nang daanan ni mga ka-tripping? Lahi na. Lahi siguro atong giagian. Mo ni Lambog Beach. Lambog Beach. Kana? Tripping na ata diri sa Kang Santo Spring. Okay, it's okay. So, we use 7 a.m. open, 6 p.m. close. Entrance fees 7 to 13 years old, 50 adult, 100 below, 6 below free. Okay, let's go. Mo ni. Na mo to dito sa una pero dito dito kuro. Basa. Gipadak-an na di ay nila. Giusab na.
Okay na.
Bugnaw kayo. Sikap ka. Ito. Ikaw ba di ka maligo?
Bugnaw.
Di ba sa una, wa po ni na-develop naman si parit nga kuan katong spring.
Wala ka kabalo siya. Taga diri man siya.
Awa, dili na mo taga diri di ay. Asa din nyo ha? Laagan ba din ninyo po? Sasa mo? Ah,
Niya na pilot.
mo na guro ni, gidevelop na.
Kasi nga so kang Santo Spring.
Hmm.
So to.
Asa, mo na, diha no.
Aray.
O, ingon bitaw ko na diha.
Lingin.
Okay na, o mo na.
Usara ka buo. Usara.
O, kani sila, mo ni, gikan, nagklase niya.
Kating klase.
Nagklase, saray! Sakpan! Shout out sa maestra anin nila, oh!
Kada sa day.
Kana po dahil, dalaw na. Alas. Kana na bakana ng abato sa una. Nya ang tunaan si Kabaw, di haran di ba sa una? Nakaari mo ko sa una. Dugay na kay to.
Kasi tagiya diri ron day san kisat mo ng Santo.
Kuan, iyahan naman na igsuko na manage. Dahil namatay na ko. Kuan na lang mga anak.
Hi Lian, good morning. We made this video especially for you. So we are about to check out. But before we do that, we did this one last video for you. So this is the outside part of the Bajan Island, Cebu. That's the swimming area over there. This is like kind of muddy because we have a lot of mangroves. And this is the place where you can chill out, daytime, nighttime, whatever. And the front desk is over there. All the rooms, villas up there. There's a path where you can try to like go up a little bit, but it's a very nice walk going to the properties. Then the entire island or the resort, you can take a brisk walking for 15 minutes and you're done. If you want to take a slower pace, 30 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, 30 is like longest. You can go around the island by foot. So the food is great because they are organic, but I don't like meat. I didn't like the meat we ordered, but I love my salad. And they have some fresh drinks. And the beach is good when it's high tide, but low tide it's not because the ocean turns muddy and not so fun for swimming. Other than that, I think the number one thing you like about Badian Island Wellness Resort is that it's isolated. You feel like you're left alone in this world, untouched by human noise. And then number two is the ambience, of course. And number three, they have their own organic gardens where they pick out the ingredients for your salad. So that's great. And one thing that reminds me, or one thing I can take away from this vacation that I like about Badian Cebu, I love to ride the speedboat back and forth to the island. And the welcome lei and the welcome drinks, that really gave me a Hawaiian touch of the island resort. So I hope that you will push through with your booking for this resort, and I'm sure you will love it because you like tranquility. So see you soon.
Babu!